Life with my dogs.
Yoga is all about balance, mindfulness, and connection. And who better to share that with than your dog? Today, we're exploring dog yoga, or Doga, and the positive power it brings to both you and your furry friend. Dog yoga combines traditional yoga poses with gentle stretches, massage, and bonding activities that include your dog. It's not about forcing your pup into poses, it's about moving together in a way that's safe, fun, and relaxing. Benefit number 1: bonding. Practicing Doga strengthens the emotional connection between you and your dog. Spending this mindful time together builds trust and helps your pup feel calm and secure. Benefit number 2: stress relief. Just like humans, dogs can get stressed too. Slow breathing, gentle movements, and soothing touches can help lower anxiety for both of you. Benefit number 3: physical health. Light stretches can improve your dog's flexibility and circulation, while also giving you a great low-impact workout. Want to try Doga at home? Start simple. Invite your dog onto the mat, let them explore, and reward calm behavior. Use gentle petting and treats to keep them engaged. Try poses like seated forward bends, heart openers, or simply lying down together and breathing in sync. Remember, Doga is about connection, not perfection. Every session is a chance to bond, relax, and share a moment of peace with your best friend. So grab your mat, invite your pup, and discover the positive power of dog yoga, Namaste, and Pawsitive.
Life with my dogs.